Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the about option, and here scroll down until you find the SN option. This is the serial number of our watch. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do it via the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. If you open it like this, then tap on the devices icon, select the Huawei Watch Fit 2 from the list. Now scroll down and tap on the device information option. And here we have the device serial number. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.